The Bright Star 2023 military exercise is currently underway in Egypt, that will witness a riveting face-off between India's MiG-29 UPG and Pakistan's JF-17, which has stirred anticipation among military enthusiasts and experts. India's MiG-29 UPG have been upgraded to the most advanced variant, designed to counter modern adversaries like the F-16 and F-18, and military observers are anticipating a unique opportunity to compare the capabilities of these two fighter jets in a controlled environment. The F-414 engine deal between India and the US is poised to receive US congressional approval in the next few days. The legal notification period for the F-414 engine deal with India has expired on 27 August, during which the US Congress members had an opportunity to raise objections to the transfer of technology for the F-414 engine to India. But it is noteworthy that both Republicans and Democrats have rallied their support for the deal. The path is now clear for the clearance of engine deal with 80% transfer of technology to India, and the first batch of these engines will be manufactured in India by mid-2026. Mahendragiri Shipbuilders Limited will launch the fourth and last P-17A stealth-guided missile frigate Mahendragiri on 1st September, that will be commissioned into the Indian Navy in 2027. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has already launched 3 P-17A stealth frigates, and 3 frigates will be commissioned between 2025 and 2026. As discussions for follow-up orders of 100 Tejas MK1A fighter jets are gaining momentum, a former head test pilot has said that the Tejas MK1A should be integrated with updated features and minor changes in software and hardware after every 40 aircraft are rolled out, as this approach ensures that the Tejas MK1A fleet remains at the cutting edge of technological innovation. The timely improvements on a smaller scale can potentially save resources in the long run, compared to overhauling an entire larger fleet of 183 aircraft at a later stage. Amid the limited availability of spares and maintenance support for T-72 and T-90 tanks, Indian private sector company Airborne's Defence and Space has taken proactive steps in this direction. The company has successfully refurbished a T-72 tank and has delivered it to the Indian Army for evaluation, and if selected, the company will undertake refurbishment work on hundreds of T-72 tanks. The company is also engaged in manufacturing complete hulls for the T-72, and has already secured an order for 2 hulls. During the high-level discussions between the Indian and Kenyan delegations, Kenya has sought a defense line of credit from India, as the country has expressed interest in buying Prachun light combat helicopters, rifles and ATAGS for its army, and frigates for its navy. Kenya Shipyard Limited also signed a memorandum of understanding with Goa Shipyards Limited to facilitate capacity building and joint ship design and construction ventures. Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer held a C-390 Millennium Day in India, and the event provided an opportunity to hold vibrant discussions with the Indian industry, and also deepen its engagement with Indian players, as it aims to locally build a C-390 for the Indian Air Force. The C-390 can carry more payload as compared to other medium-sized military cargo aircraft, and flies faster and farther, and also is capable of performing a wide range of missions.